Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to City Academy online classes. Myself Vinod Kumar. We will discuss lesson 7 HTML part 2. HTML 2. Defining a table structure. The first steps to creating a table to specify the table structure. Table structure means number of rows and columns, the location of column headings, the placement of table caption. Once the table structure is in a place, you can start entering data in the table. Using the table TR/TD tags. Graphical tables are enclosed within two-sided open table. This tag that identifies the start and ending of table structure. And each row of table is indicated using two-sided TR or table row. Within each table row, a two-sided TD for table data. Tag indicates the presence of individual table cells. This or tag used when you want to create table in HTML document. Use table TR, table row, TD, table data. Here the general table syntax: table TR, TD first cell, TD close, TD second cell, TD close, and TR close. The first row is created. Here first row. After second row, TR third cell and fourth cell, like this. This is the simple table structure. You can use here two rows and two columns. Columns within a table. HTML does not provide a tag for table columns. In the original HTML specification, the number of columns is determined by how many cells are inserted within each row. For example, if you have 4 TD tags in each table row, that table has 4 columns. TD means number of columns and TR means number of row. The later version of HTML provided increased the support of controlling the appearance of the table columns, means through this. Here the table structure of HTML structure of table. Beginning of the table structure means start the table, then TR means first row up, and here table column TD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 columns, and again second row and column, third row and column, and after that close the table tag. This is the structures. Next, creating heading with a TH tag. TH means table heading. HTML provides the TH tag for table heading. Text formatted with the TH tag is shortened within the cell and displayed in the boldface font, means by default boldface font. The TH tag is most often used for column headings, but you can use it for any cells that you want to contain centers boldface text. TH used for table heading. Here example: table TR TH, group TH, runner up TH, table heading times, table heading origin. Here the table heading just like this. When you are writing this was the first row, table heading, then here show here table heading, and after the second row you can insert the data through TR tag. You can insert just like you can insert all things one by one. So this one is the red table heading which are shown here. This one. Modifying the appearance of a table. You can modify the appearance of table by adding grid lines, borders, background color. You can apply in your table and you give a good appearance when you want to show on your website. HTML also provides tags attributes to control the placement of and the size of table. You can decrease the size, border, and cell padding, cell spacing. You can use Here adding a table border. By default, browsers display tables without table border, which when you are insert, then browser show without a border. To table border can be added using the border attributes to the table tag. You want to add a border attributes, then you can use the table tag. For example, here table border is equal to value. Value is the width of the border in pixel. We provide a value of 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel. According to the pixel, your border will change. The size attribute is optional. If you do not specify the size, the browser create a table border 1 pixel width. For example, here 0 pixel like this, 1 pixel, the value of a table border 1 pixel like this, and 5 pixels. When you are using the pixel, your table is in a large size. Border is so in a dark and large size like this, 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Controlling cell spacing. The cell spacing attributes control the amount of space inserted between the table cells. The cell spacing attributes control the amount of space inserted between the table cells. The syntax of this table cell spacing is equal to value. Value is the border in pixel. Thus default cell spacing is 2 pixel. By default the cell spacing have 2 pixel. When you are not provide any value, then you can computer understands, means you have a 2 pixels given. Cell spacing refers to the space between the cell. Cell spacing means refers to the space between the cells. Here you can better understand different cell spacing. 0 pixel, 1 pixel, 5 pixel means space between the cells, and cell padding means here 0, 1. Here the cell padding value. Define the table size. The syntax for specifying the table size, table width, size, height. So you can show the table size, height and width easily. By default, we will not select any. The enter attribute height is 100%. If you specify the absolute size of a table in pixel, its size remains constant regardless of browser monitor setting used. And remember that some monitors display the web pages at the resolution 640 by 480 pixels. Means you can easy way to use the table height and size according to requirement. Aligning a table on the web page. By default, a browser places a table on the left margin of the web page. By default, we will insert a table, then table show on left margin of a web page with the surrounding text placed above the below the text. Means here you can give alignment equal to left, right and center. You can easy way to insert left or right alignment, place the margin of the left page surrounding to the text. Center means your table show on the center of the web page. And the align attribute is similar to the align attributes used with the IMG. IMG tag used for image and align equal to just like table align center, left, right. You can easily to apply the alignment on a table. After that, a homework question number first. What is order list? Explain with an example. Second, what is on order list? Explain with an example. Question 3, what is cell spacing? Question 4, what is cell pattern?